Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to through Cambridge IGCSE October-November paper 1-3 for course students. Here are the instructions that you all know. You can use calculator in this paper. So let's start. Before we start, I would request you guys to subscribe to the channel and share it with your friends, and I will wait for your comments in the comment section about the feedback about the video. Now let's start. The question number 1 that I have here, you can see some arrows here. Write down the letter of the shape that is congruent to the shaded shape. So this one is shaded here. We are looking for the congruent. Now the congruent shape should have same size and same shape, right? Size, you see this size is different, this size is different. So this and this we can see here, this size is also different. Like here we have 1 2 3 squares, here we have 4. So this is not this is we have 3 here, 3 this side, but this arrow is bigger, so not this one. So D is exactly the same as the shaded shape, so we will write down D here, right? Now number 2, write down all the factors of 32. So factors of 32 are the numbers that you are going to divide it by. So 1 times 32 is 32, 2 times 16, then 4 times 8 is 32, right? So we have 1 2 4 8 16, and so start from here, then you write all the numbers 1 2 4 8 16 and 32. These are the factors of 32, right? Now the reciprocal of this, reciprocal is just swap the numerator and denominator. So 8 over 1, that will be 8, right? Now the value of 7 in this number, so how many zeros are there? Digits are there, 1 2 3 4. So we are going to put 4 zeros here, so that is 70,000. That will be the value of 7 in this number, right? Now question number 3, you can see a shape here. Draw all the lines of symmetry in this. So line of symmetry, you will see if you draw line here, but here it is not going to be the one, so that means so line of symmetry is going to be this side here. Another one is here. There are 2 lines of symmetry that will, when you fold the shape, you are going to get the same shape, right? Now draw the line of that's done. Number 4, we are given some numbers here. From this list, write down a cube number. So sometimes students, they don't write here. Make sure that you are just using numbers from here. So we have a cube number is 64, which is cube of 4. 4 cube is 64. So we are going to write down 64. And the prime numbers, if you see, this is divisible by 3, this is divisible by 2, 3, and 6 plus 3 9. Only 61 is the number which is not divisible by any of the other numbers except 1 and 61 itself, right? Now after this we have number 5. Tara goes on a journey by train. The train leaves at 6:48. The journey takes 12 hours and 35 minutes. Find the time when Tara arrives. So she started at 6:48 and it takes 12 hours and 35 minutes. We can add that. This is 8 plus 5 13, 7 plus this is 8, this is 18. So now this is more than 60, so we can subtract 60 from here, so that will make 1 hour. So that we are going to add this side, so that will be 18 plus 1 19. This is 1923. So we can write down 1923 or 7:23 p.m. Now let's move to the next question. Number 6. We have stem and leaf diagram here. Jamie records the mass of 2 samples of oranges type A and type B. The stem and leaf diagram shows the mass in grams of 30 oranges of type A. So this graph is only for type A. Complete the table to show the range for type A oranges. So type A oranges, the range is going to be a maximum value minus the minimum, that is 218 minus 176, which is 42. So that is the range 42. We are going to put it over here in type A, right? Now use the information in the table to write down two comments comparing the masses of type A oranges with masses of type B oranges. Now if you see, compare the type A here, type A is lighter on average. So this is 195, then this is 205. So this is on average, we can say on average type A is lighter than type B, right? Now second one, if you compare the range, you see this range is more than the range of type B. So that means type A is more varied. It's varying a lot than the type B, or you can say type A is more less consistent, right? Now let's move to next question, number 7. We have here in triangle LMN, LN is 7.5 and MN is 8. Using ruler and compass only, construct LMN. Leave your construction lines, and the line LM has been drawn for you. Line LM is there, so we have LN. So end point will be somewhere here. LN is 7.5. So we are going to open the this compass at 7.5. 7.5 is this much, right? So draw a line, an arc, draw it bigger so you don't know where is the other one coming. MN is 8. So LN and MN is 8, a little more than this. So from here, put your needle on point M, that will give you MN, right? Now you are just going to join this on the arc like here. So join these lines, they will meet at a point, that point is, this is N. So then this LN is 7.5 centimeter and this one is 8 centimeter, right? Write down the mathematical name for this type of triangles. You can see all the sides are different. This MN, let me see how much is that. This is 5.5. So this is a scalar triangle when none of the side is equal, right? Now the surface area of the cube is 73.5. Find the length of one side of the cube. Now you know that cube is like this, right? Cube has 6 faces, right? Every face has the area of L squared. There are 6 faces, so surface area of a cube is 73.5 centimeter square. This is given to us, and this is 6 L square, right? 73.5, because we have 6 faces and one face has area of L squared. So L squared is 73.5, sorry, 6L squared divide by 6 divide by 6. So L is going to be square root of 73.5 over 6. So when you calculate, this is 3.5 centimeter, that is the length of the cube. Okay, now number 9, we have here a triangle. One side you have a line there. The diagram shows an equilateral triangle. find the value of x. Now when equilateral triangle, that means all the sides are equal and all the angles are equal. So these angles are going to be 60 degrees. Now this one we are looking for x, so x plus 60, this is angle round a point, will be 360. So 2x is equal to 360 minus 60, that is 300. 2x divide by 2 divide by 2, so x is 150 degrees, right? Now number 10, part A plus b. A is 4 9, b is negative 6 1. So 4 minus 4 minus 6, then 9 plus 1, this is negative 2 and 10. Then next one is we have 3c. 3c means we are going to multiply 3 to all the elements there. 3 times 13 is 39, 3 times negative 2 is negative 6, so 39 and minus 6. Now question number 11, factorize this 15v square minus 3. So first of all look on the numbers, 3 is common, then v is common, so 3 times 5 v minus 3v is gone, v minus 1, so 3v 5v minus 1. Number 12, Rama asked a group of students how they travel to school. The table shows the probability how a student chosen at random travels to school. So bus, walk, car and others. Complete the table. So we are looking for this one here. So first we are going to add all these probabilities. 1 7, this is 7 plus 2 9, 0.89, right? Now you know that sum of the probabilities is 1. So we are going to subtract 1 minus 0.89, which is 0.11. That is the probability that we are going to get over here, right? Now part B, there are 1800 students in a school. Find the expected number of students that walk. Walk is here, the probability is 0.32. That is the probability, and how many students? You're just going to multiply this. So once you multiply this, you are going to get here 576. Now number 13, without using calculator, work out 5 over 6 divided by 11 over 15. 6 times 1 6, 6 plus 1 11 over 6. Then you change this to multiply and take the reciprocal, meaning you are just swapping numerator and denominator, right? So this and this is gone. So 15 over 6, we can simplify 3 times 5, 3 times 2, so 5 over 2. Write the answer is a mixed number. We are not going to write it into decimal, so 2.5. Don't write it into a decimal, then you can get your marks deducted. Now number 14, you have this triangle here. The diagram shows a triangle ABC. M is a midpoint. The triangle ABC is rotated 180 about. You rotate this is going to become something like this, right? So the image and the original shape together to the quadrilateral ABCD. So this is quadrilateral ABCD. Now write down the mathematical name of ABCD, as this side and this side is going to be parallel and equal, and others are also equal and parallel. So this is a parallelogram. Right? Now find angle BAD. BAD, we are looking for this angle. So for that we can calculate this angle first. So in this triangle we have 112 plus 44, which is 156. So sum of angles of triangle 180 minus 156, 24. This angle is 24, this is also going to be 24, so that is 48, the final answer, right? Now number 15. Shubhu invests $750 in a saving account for 5 years. The account pays simple interest at rate of 1.8% per year. Calculate the total interest she earns during 5 years. We are looking for the interest here. Interest is P RT over 100. P is 750. R is 1.8. Time is 5 divided by 100. So let's just calculate that one. 750 times 1.8 times 5, then divided by 100. This is 67.5. So 67.5 is the simple interest. Solve this. So we are combining the like terms here now. Let me shift x to other side. 7 plus, I'll bring 3 here. 10 equals to 9x minus 5x. This is 17. This is 4x. So x is 17 over 4, which is, let me see, 17 divided by 4. Sorry guys, this is not 10, this is 3. 7 plus 3 is 10. So this is 10 over 4. 2 times 5, it's 2.5. So x is 2.5. Now number 17, we have a line here named L. Find the equation of the line in the form of y equals to mx plus c. So where m is a gradient, gradient is rise over run. So you can choose any 2 points. Let me choose this one and this one. So rise is 1. Run along this 1, 2, 3. So 1 over 3. And c is, this is c. c is 1. Right? So y is 1 over 3x plus 1. So this is the equation of line. 1 over 3x plus 1. Right? Now on the graded, draw a line that is perpendicular to line L. So any line that is perpendicular to this, you can just even use this one here, because this is 90. So it's like this, then you can just join it. You can use your protractor or anything. So this is the line which is perpendicular, right? Now number 18, a bar of chocolate costs $3 and bag of sweets cost $5. Write down an expression, the total cost in dollars of x bars of chocolate and y bags of sweet. 1 bar of chocolate costs 3, so 3 will be 3, x will be 3x. Similarly, y bags of sweets, 1 bag costs 5, so 5y. So total of that is going to be 3x plus 5y. Just the expression, nothing else. Now 19a, we have here the question. A bag contains these cards. We have these cards. One of these cards is picked at random. Find the probability that the number on card is greater than 3. Greater than 3, we have here this one. This is also greater than 3. 4. 4 cards are greater than 3. Out of how many? The total is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So 4 over 7 is the final answer, right? Now part B. A box contains 3 blue cards and 7 red cards. Kim picks 1 card at random, 3 blue, 7 red. Its color, then notes its color and then replace it in the box. She then picks another card. Complete the diagram. First card, second card. Once she got first card, probability is blue, the other are going to be red, that is 7 over 10. Similarly here, the card is replaced back, so that means the total number remains same. So if this is 3 over 10, the other one is going to be the 7 over 10, right? Now work out the probability that both cards Kim picks are blue. So blue is here and this one. So the probability of first blue is 3/10, second blue is 3/10. So this is 9/100. Question number 20. The diagram shows a sector of circle with radius r and sector angle 72. The length of arc is 9.35. Calculate the value of r. So we know that length of arc, the formula is theta over 360 times 2 pi r, right? And this is given to us as 9.35, right? So theta is 72 over 360 times 2 pi r equals to 9.35. So from here, if I calculate this one, 2, this is 18, 10, 2 times 9 is 90. So this is 10, 9 times 8. So then your r is 9.35 times 10 over divide by r 8 pi. So once you calculate, you are going to get it. I have already calculated 7.439. So approximately you can say 7.44, writing it 3 significant figures. Right? Now question number 21. We have the Venn diagram here. The universal set is given, the square numbers. Q is a square number. So let's see what are the square numbers from here. Is 4, then 9, right? And multiples of 4 are 4, 8 and 12. These are multiples of 4. So use this information to complete the table. Now if you see, we will first fill the common part. Common part we have 4 here, which is a square number also and multiple of 4 also. Then Q is a square number is a 9, so 9 will go here, and R is multiple of 4. Other multiples of 4 are 8 and 12, right? So what is remaining? We have 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So what are we left with? 2 and 10, which does not fall in any of the category. You can just write it outside these circles, right? Now write n number of elements Q intersection R. Q intersection R is the common part here, which is only 1. So we're just going to put 1 over here. Now question number 22, find the HCF of this. So for HCF, you just use always the division method. So take a number, prime number here, which divides both of them. So like here, it is going to divide it as 24, 40, divide by 2 again, 12, 20, by 2 again by 2. Now you can't, there is no number that can divide both 3 and 5. So HCF is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. 4 times 2, 8 times 2 is 16. So 16 is the final answer for that, right? Now number 23, this is the last question of this paper. I hope you guys are getting everything. Let me know in the comment section about how do you feel about the video, and if anything to improve, you can just let me know. Kindly subscribe and share it with your friends and press the notification bell so that you can get the notified whenever there is a new video. So now let's multiply this by 2 to make the coefficient of x same. So when you multiply this equation by 2, it will be 6x plus 5 times 2 10y equals to 46. So second, we are just rewriting it, doing nothing, no change in this equation. So it's not must to multiply both of them. Sometime you just get the result by multiplying it only to one of the equation. So when you subtract it, the equation, lower equation will change the sign, right? So this 6x minus 6x is 0, 10 plus 4 is 14, this is 35. Okay, so y is 35 over 14, which is 2.5. So we got y as 2.5. So take any of the equation, which is 3x. Let me take the first one, equals to 23. So 3x plus 5 times 2.5 equals to 23. 3x plus this is 12.5 equals to 23. So 3x is equal to 23 minus 12.5, which is 10.5. 3x divide by 3 divide by 3. So this is 3.5. So final answer is 3.5. So that's it for this video. God bless you guys. See you in the next video. Kindly subscribe and share it with your friends. Be blessed.